He's a nice guy and I might let him slide. Slide around by midnight, hands around my waistline. He's a nice guy, but I'm gon' let him know I don't waver, don't go. I keep it quiet, move slow. Is it supposed to be a secret? Is it supposed to be something I should keep with? No, I lose all control. I can't let go. Wanna be alone. And in my mind, she's had her time. Send her off with goodbye. You got me running, 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 running. 'Cause I'll die for your love.
So, needless to say, you probably want to be careful here, because if you come down that road and make a mistake and think you're coming down this, you're going to be doing the Thelma and Louise right over the edge. Go do a quick check on the ATV since we're out. It's been a long drive up a bumpy road. Make sure everything is still latched down and happy. And it is. Thanks to Dragon for the big heavy duty straps. They don't seem to ever let me down, which is great. Yeah. Getting close. Absolutely gorgeous out here though. So yeah, Dave and I are off today, looking for some adventures in a new area. I've never been here. I think Dave's been here before, but I have not. So yeah, welcome along with Adventure Awaits Overland once again. Beautiful sunny day, about 24, 25 degrees right now. We're up in the Kamloops area. Seen lots of cool stuff already. Watching for rattlesnakes and all of the good things that are up here. Love to get some of the wildlife on film, obviously. And yeah, thanks for joining us again. And if you're enjoying some of this content, like and subscribe. We'd like to keep bringing it to you. So yeah, let's get along. We're almost to the point where we're going to unload the ATVs and we'll head out on a little different four wheels. Talk to you soon. So on the mirror there, you can see that guy. That's a normal sized fly. But look at that bastard. Holy, he'd take a chunk out of you. Not looking forward to being outside with them. So it would seem in this area there's an abundance of hawks and birds of prey. If you can see them up there in the tree, I'll try to get close enough we can have a look at them. Pretty cool though. Man, that's a big bird. He sees me too. There he goes. Oh, it's a baby eagle. That's what that was. Very cool. Anyway, tons of wildlife out here. It's incredible. I just wish the horseflies weren't so big, man. I'm scared of losing a body part here. Suckers are huge. Anyway, let's carry on. Venture on. All right, so here we are. We've made it to the lake, as you can see. Beautiful little spot. Walk down here and have a quick look. See what's going on. And then we'll get the ATVs unloaded. Wow, beautiful little campsite. Nobody in it. Lots of sites available. Definitely a truck in here. Look at that. What a gorgeous little spot, wow. Anyway, let's get these trailers unloaded, jump on some ATVs, go do some exploring. Took us several hours to get up in here. Road's a little rough. You got to take her easy when you got the ATVs on board on the trailer. But we made it. Remnants of some old docks. I can see some guys fishing over there, obviously camping in that, what looks like a small lodge. Alright, so ATVs are off the trailer and we're ready to go. Let's go explore this area. Looks really nice. Panorama around the area. Yeah, sick. Let's do this. Excited. Love new places. I have no clue where we're going. I don't think I've ever been here before. Looks like we have a smorgasbord here. I see moose, bear, there's a bear print, and deer. That's pretty awesome. Oh, and a pretty butterfly. So many butterflies up here, it's incredible. Anyway, lots of action in that puddle. Just gonna show you guys this. This is pretty cool. So this place is just lit up with wildflowers right now, but look at these little grasses. What are they called, Dave? Foxtail. They're so pretty. They're all over the place. Such a cool color. Yeah, so neat. And then there's this. Look, Dave. Identify that bone.
A dead animal.
A dead animal bone. Oh man. Anyway, it's just loaded with flowers and these cool bushes, foxtail. Look at that. Well done, Mother Nature. Killing it. Dave's prancing around in the flowers. I'm not gonna judge though. Yeah, stop and smell the flowers. Hey, so we just stopped having a quick snack, put the drone up, but man, can you see the flies here? And they are brutal. They're eating us alive. So wind has died down. It's super calm here. There's a big marsh down below us. Combination of all those things. This is just fly ridden in here. I've never seen the likes of it. Anyway, we are getting the heck out of here because I'm covered. Talk to you soon. So Dave's flying a drone for the first time. For those of you who have not flown one, they're pretty simple actually. Just do slow movements at first. Get used to it and you should be okay. And when in doubt, just don't touch anything and it'll just sit there and hover. Anyway, Dave's having fun. First time with a drone. Truck's all loaded. I just gotta close the gate, load up the drone once Dave's done playing with it, and we're heading home. Fun day. Thanks for coming along. Always appreciate you coming with us on Adventure Waits Overland. And please, if you like anything we're doing, we'd sure love you to like and subscribe, comment, ask some questions. Tell us about your adventures. We want to hear it. We want to tell you about ours. And yeah, we sure appreciate you coming along. Thanks again. Take care. Bye.